unbearable. How could anyone tolerate this horror?
The images of mothers embracing their motionless bodies, caressing their hair, talking to them, apologizing to them.
It's unbearable. How could anyone tolerate this horror? Excuse me, Mr. President. I have grandchildren. I know what they mean to their families. And to see the situation of the Palestinians without us having hearts to do something is beyond the ability of any normal human being to tolerate. Flames and hunger are devouring Palestinian children.